Right, so here we have an angle stop that won't shut off. And rather than sweating this off and dealing with all that, I'll show you guys how to rebuild an angle stop. So most multi-turn angle stops are the exact same thing over time. So here I opened up the valve and I'm loosening the packing nut here. Loose. All right, now everything starts spinning. I pull that out. You see the gasket's missing right here. Look inside. Usually the gasket is inside of there, and I got to dig that out like a screwdriver or something. Make sure there's no rubber left inside of there. But here, it just didn't exist. So here's a brand new stop. Couldn't quite get it by hand. Let me loosen that up. I should be videoing that right now. Oh, I didn't. All right, here's the two of them next to each other. So you see just a little piece of rubber that's missing. And they're the exact same thing. So, we're going to thread this in first. So you turn the handle. Once you get the handle part of the way, you can start getting the packing nut tightened on there. So I'm kind of turning them both at the same time. All right, it felt like that bottomed out on the handle and the packing nut got hand tight. So we're just going to give that a little bit with the little mini Channies 426. These are one of the best tools to ever exist. So check that it turns freely. I got it off. I'm going to put the shutoff on just in case it doesn't work properly. So not the shutoff. I'm going to put the supply hose on. Tighten that up. That doesn't take a whole lot either. You see me on the crescent wrench here. And that's it.